adjustable grinder wrench. And it came with 2 pairs of matching gloves. Neoprene. They're good mechanics gloves. Nice of them to send those along. So, I have a couple of grinders, a Bosch and a DeWalt, and they have different size discs to hold the grinding disc. And it's pretty aggravating to keep track of those 2 different sizes. The other day I brought the wrong one up. I brought the wrong one up for this one. So this is a solution to that. Just place them in the holes, twist the wing nut, and press the stop thing here. And I didn't have it adjusted right. Try it again. There we have it. All right. I'm going to press on that darn button there that they have. There it is. And to release the disc. It does work. I tried it earlier. There it is. So, it is. You can't, this sticks out a little bit. So you can't get this exactly parallel to the disc. You have to tip it a little bit. But it still works. It engages just fine. But you can see how this sticks out a little bit here. So it hits on this. That's all right because it still works, as you could see. Pretty handy. Nice to have around. Adjustable.